So it's your boy JB here. Today we're going to talk about safety. And if you look overhead, well, overhead line safety, right? If you look overhead, there is power lines, feeder and distribution lines. And from here, this thick cluster there, that's those are the feeder lines, the power lines that feed this apartment building, right? Quite a few units there. But what is also here is this line there. Okay, that's feeding. That's coming off these stoplights, well, these lights in the alley. So what we want to do is, we're not sure if these lines are hot or not because there's a light down at the end of the alley there. So what we're going to use is we're going to use our yellow banana, right? And that being this voltage detector. We don't need nothing serious. We don't need a voltmeter at this point. We're not out here doing electrical work, power work. What we're going to do is we're just going to check for the presence of voltage or the absence of it, right? So here we have our yellow banana, and we're just going to put it on the line here, right? And we're going to click the button. If it stays green, then we're good. We get to go home to our families. But if it goes red, not so much. We get a fast track to the ER if we decide to get, become heroes. So, yeah. So, let's do it again. I'm gonna put it on our strand, and it stayed green. All right, so we get to go home. Why are we using this right now? It's because if we look here, we can see that this line, here that's feeding that street light down there is actually coming in contact with this strand here. And we can see that this strand is holding up our strand with a tie strap or a zip tie, whatever you want to call it. It's keeping it together. We're not exactly sure if there's additional trauma to the line further down that way or this way, but it's always nice to have safety. Be safe. Okay. All right. Peace.